It is a beautiful spring day in Myrtle Beach, and today we're going to take a look at 862 Shine Avenue. This is a unique townhouse. This is the only two-bedroom corner unit townhouse with a garage in all of Market Common. I know that sounds crazy, but it's true. If you can find one, I'll pay you 20 bucks. Anyway, we're right here on Shine Avenue. Farrah Parkway's right here. The shops and restaurants are right around the corner. It's an easy walk to Fino's Bakery and restaurants a block away. But over here, it's a nice, quiet, residential streetscape. It's just a great location. You're close to everything, but far enough away to where it's quiet and peaceful and you can really enjoy your time at home. We've got a nice covered front porch here, ceiling fan. You can hear the birds chirping. Just a really great spot. So inside, this one is done up nicer than pretty much any other one I've been in. And if y'all know me, I've been working at Market Common since 2007. So this one has an updated trim package where all the windows are trimmed out. And look at all the extra windows this unit has. Two here, another one in the kitchen. Upstairs, there are a bunch. Smooth ceilings, crown moldings, recessed lighting, updated fixtures, updated chair rail molding, hardwood floors. She had this little mantle here. There's a drop zone, which is great. Unlike the townhouses over on the other side of Farrah Parkway, this is actually a natural gas community. So you've got a natural gas stove, a tankless on-demand gas hot water heater, gas heat. I love the little breakfast bar top here. Updated cabinets, stainless steel appliances. Just a great kitchen. Back here, you've got a nice pantry. And conveniently, there's a half bath on this floor. And there's me. Hi. Got a screened-in door that goes out to their oversized single-car garage. And yes, there's even a window in the garage. A little cluttered right now with the move coming up, but really good space out here. They've added storage. Look how high the ceiling is in this garage. Look how high the ceilings are in this townhouse. Just a really, really neat setup. Newer, updated carpet here. And then I love what they've done up here. This is great. So here's a little, on the plans, you'll see that originally this was a little loft area. She added new flooring up here. And she also added this built-in desk. Look, the 12-foot ceilings are continued on up here. So you've got really nice high ceilings. You've got this great built-in desk with all this storage. Great window right here. Perfect little workstation. There's also a little laundry room here with shelving. You got a great sized guest room here. Ceiling fan, tall ceilings, smooth ceilings, double closet. Nice big trimmed out windows. Crown molding in these rooms, which you never see. The doors are trimmed out. Great master bath, comfort height, updated upgraded cabinets, comfort height countertops, tub shower. There's me again. It's a nice big area here. And this is the guest bath. Wait till you see the master bedroom and master bath. So again, workstation, built-in desk. In the master bedroom here, look at these extra windows, add so much light. 3 of them in the master bedroom alone, plus 2 up front. Look at this, king-size bed, plenty of room, tall ceilings, updated light fixtures. She's added a barn door, And then look what they've done with the master bath here. I haven't seen a master bath in these townhouses like this. Beautiful floors, beautiful cabinets. Countertops and sinks have been redone. Crown molding in here. Lots of extra recessed lighting in here. I don't know why I didn't have those on, sorry. And then look at this. She took the junky old tub shower out and added this step-in tile shower. It's huge. Goes all the way up. Has a seat. Where the little stall shower was, she added these doors and turned this into more closet space. Another huge closet here. And then, of course, a door for the water closet. So this is a unique townhouse right in the heart of Market Common. It's close enough to get to the shops and restaurants. It's close enough to get to the beach in just a few minutes. We're close to everything, but it's quiet, it's peaceful, it's nice. The only corner unit, 2-bedroom townhouse that's ever been built in Market Common with a garage. My name's Jay Bonnott with Century 21 Boling. Contact me right away to take a look at this place in person. It's not gonna last long. All of my contact information is right below in the YouTube comment section. I hope to see you soon.